On your Apple iPhone, we use so many apps every day. If you want to know how much battery each app has been using, you can check that. In this video, we'll show you how. Just open Settings. When you're in Settings, you'll see an option called Battery. Tap on Battery. When you tap it, here you can see your daily usage, and under that, you'll see View All Battery Usage. Tap on View All Battery Usage. When you do, here you can see every app you've been using. Today, in my case, only these few apps are showing. And if you're not able to see any apps, just go back, open that app, and keep it running for about 2 minutes or so. Then, when you come back to Settings, you'll see that app appear in the list. Anyway, after that, just tap on the app, and here you can see exactly how much battery it has used. Look, today, YouTube has used almost 8%. And in my case, you can see some days it's 32%, some days 37%, and some days even 51%. So in my case, most of the battery is used by the YouTube app. Here you can even see how much time I've spent on it. So this way, you can easily check how much battery each app has been using on your Apple iPhone every day. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.